Hello, welcome back. I just got back from the last video. It's on here because we took a liquidity sweep. Highest up close candle, breaker. I entered about the midpoint. Stop loss above here. I'm just trade one contract. So I'm thinking it was going to sweep higher liquidity. Swept this liquidity. Swept old lunch macro liquidity here. And now I'm looking for a run to this low. I thought it was going to sweep below. Well, I guess this is a swing low. Swept below it. And then, what time was that? No, it's 11:58. I thought it was going to sweep this low and then make this run up here. But in reality, it was just sweeping these highs, this high. I'll add one more in there. Make it exactly 50. I'll add one more contract in there. $70 stop loss. I'm just pyramiding inside of here because I think this liquidity sweep's going to hold. Let's move this to where it actually should be. Let's check 15-minute. We were just entering into this SIBI. Failed to touch the midpoint. 15-minute just opened. I want to see it hit the 50% or stay below the 50% of this wick. Just missed it. I'm looking for it to really take off here, not wait around. Bear back while we let this cook. It's looking pretty good. exactly what we want to see. We want to see it get below here. I want to see it rip right through this gap. Oops. Immediate rebalance, so I'll have contract there. Tighten the stop loss to right above the 50, one quadrant above that. So I don't really want to see it return above these highs. All I'm looking at is how the lunch macro created an opportunity for us to get in. Usually retraces, takes out old liquidity while people are at lunch. So if they sold in here, they're putting their stop loss above here, making it look appetizing, making it look like it just went down a lot. It's not coming above here. Then they take lunch, 12:30. And they forget about their trade. Takes them out. Gives me a spot to enter. And then it's going to run here. Like the people who were up here thought it would run down here. Thought it would run right to this. I mean, that was kind of me this morning. But looking back on it, it's just because the people here thought they were safe. So there was no chance it was going to run below there. That's why my trade didn't work out. Still closed for profit though, so I'm happy with it. See how this rejects or just plays between these two ranges for now. I find there's really smooth price action during this area after a sweep. So I don't think we'll see a lot of deep retracements or anything. This is a good time to be like extra cautious with you, or not cautious, but like extra like safe with your stop loss, putting it above old highs. I don't want to see it get into this immediate rebalance again. I just want to see this breaker hold. Made an attempt to get out, immediately rejected that attempt and said, we are not leaving this range. So now I feel safe above here. I'm going to keep the stop loss here, but I feel safe above here. coming off this wick. Let's see what we got to the 1.125. Now we're finding support there. Leaves the wick one more time. Let's see if we can get a closure inside of this wick rather than above it. Above it means deeper retracement. I'm going to save the stop loss. Put it right back to where it was. If it closed in here, I'd want to see it get below it and stay out of the scalp. Stay out of the upper half. But clearly we're not done here. I don't think it's going to sweep these highs. Tapping into that breaker one last time. Shouldn't get far inside of it. What I consider far is above the midpoint. I don't even want to see it touch the midpoint. I guess this is kind of the deep retracement that I was talking about that I didn't want to see. It can touch the midpoint. I don't like that. As long as it closes below the midpoint, we're good. And it did. So that could be the one last touch and then kiss you goodbye. Clearly just wanted to play around in this wick over here. And now we'll see how far we can run. Stop loss is safe above that now. Now I really want to see it just run. At least make a run to this low. And then this low. I'll take 3 contracts at this low. Afternoon session, not a lot of volatility, so I like to aim for majority of my position, not too extreme. And then I'll let one contract just float for the day. Just touching that gap. I'll add one more there. Make this 4. You can do all this with one contract too. Touch on that fair value gap again. Close above that would be not ideal. That's perfect. We want to see this end up being a down close candle. I don't know if we'll get it. Might want to run out the short-term high. Let's move the stop above here. Run out this short-term high, hit the 50%, and then run. Yep, that's exactly what I was seeing happen. Not really, but I knew it was going to come up here and dive. Not to that magnitude, though. That's just insane. But I don't like that at all. I wanted it to stay down. That means we're pretty bullish. That's what I think. Depends where this candle closes. Below this inefficiency, we're bearish. Made an attempt, took out this high. Made an attempt at the 50, failed. We're still bearish. That's why I moved the stop loss. Now it's safe above that high. I don't even want to see it here. I'll put stop to break even. So they just had a shakeout. A fast shakeout. That means move's coming. Beautiful price action now.
oversaturation. No relying on other. Unlike other business models, there is no competition in trading, no oversaturation, no relying on other people, a limit to how much you can make. Unlike other business models, there is no competition in trading, no oversaturation.
Sorry if I'm not talking a lot, I'm posting on TikTok.
A limit to how much you can make. Unlike other business.
Now it's just a waiting game. I'm not talking a lot in this video because I feel like I kind of described exactly why this move would take place. I got a little confused in here, I'll admit it, but I did see this getting taken out and then a run down. I was saying this would be safe. That was a mistake on my part. Right now it's a risk-free trade. I'm just waiting. I at least want to see it take out this liquidity. The lunch session liquidity. People are getting back from lunch, so we'll see retracements to take out late sellers. Like here, we trace to take out sellers. Entered here.
Unlike other business models, there is no competition in trading, no oversaturation, no relying on other people, a limit to how much you can make. Unlike other business models, there is no competition in trading.
Here's that deep retracement I was talking about. Expecting it to go here. There's a lot of noise on the chart though. I'll add another contract here. Stop to break even. Currently looking at this volume imbalance. I'll make those that color. Can we get to it? That's perfect. I want to see this gap stay open. Oops. You can mess around in this gap. As you can see, just a touch. I don't want to see it close above the midpoint of this. So now I can trail to here. Now take off to the downside. Just a wick.
oversaturation. Don't rely on other people. A limit to how much you can take.
Stop me out. That's fine with me. Guess I'll wrap it up for today. I think it still wants to go down here, but that's fine. Profitable day. I'll see you guys in the next one.